All these. This stuff. This stuff.
Yeah.
What about that stuff?
And that stuff, yeah.
What about this
What's
stuff?
that, man?
What about this stuff?
That stuff, sorry, yeah. The mirror stain.
Okay, so the mirror stain. So this is going, this is going, this is going, this is going, and this is going. What's in the bag? Garbage.
Garbage.
Where's the drywall? No drywall?
There's some tiles here with drywall attached.
Okay. You want to get probably looking at like 600. 500? Probably.
I hope you guys will it.
Oh, it doesn't make a difference. It's how much it costs when we dump it and everything.
Already?
By weight.
How about cash?
I never said tax yet.
Already?
If you did credit or debit, there's a 5%.
Okay.
Government comes for me.
I'll do cash.
What's the offer?
450? I wasn't crazy because I feel bad. If you guys mistake it.
Let me see. I just know that's heavy, man.
That stuff is pretty heavy.
Yeah, it's gonna cost us. 500 fair? Let's get it. All right, cool.